Animals living and surviving. Yes, children, this lesson is going on. Already completed 2 or 3 topics of this lesson. Now, adaptation to protection and adaptation to food. Today, we will take 2 topics, adaptation for food and adaptation for protection. So, children, animals eat plants and other animals according to their food habits. Animals can be grouped into 4 categories. How many? 4 categories. What are they? First one is herbivorous. Second is carnivorous. Third one is omnivorous. And fourth is parasite. So what are herbivorous? Plants eating animals are known as herbivorous. Who eat plants? Cows, goats, giraffe. These animals eat plants. What are the special features? They have sharp biting teeth and strong grinding teeth to eat plants. Also they have long legs to travel long distances in search of their food. So they are known as herbivorous. Then next one is carnivorous. Who are carnivorous? Flesh eating animals are known as carnivorous. Who eat flesh? Lions, tigers. These animals eat flesh. They have strong tearing teeth to tear the flesh. Some birds, those who are carnivorous, they have a strong beak to tear the flesh. Then third one is omnivorous. Animals, those who eat plants as well as animals are known as omnivorous. Who are they? Crow, cockroaches, they are the omnivorous. Those who eat plants as well as animals. Then next one is parasites. Who are parasites? Animals, those who live on or inside the body of other animals are known as parasites. They have sucking tubes or suckers to suck the blood. Who are they? Mosquitoes, then bugs, leaves. These are the parasites. Clear? So according to the food habit, animals can be grouped into these 4 categories: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and parasites. Okay? Now, is this clear? Now next one is adaptation for protection. So animals have to protect themselves for long life and for reproduction to produce their young ones. Few ways are there how they protect themselves. So what are they? Animals, some animals are too big to be eaten by the other animals. Who are too big? Hippopotamus, elephant, they are too big to be eaten by the animals. Then some animals run very fast. Who run very fast? To escape from their enemies such as deer, flies. Okay, they run too fast and they escape from their enemies. Then some animals have, what are the special features? They have spots like zebras, tigers, leopards. They have stripes or spots on their bodies and they can merge with the surroundings, and this is known as camouflage. What is this? Camouflage. Some animals have spots and they can merge with the surroundings. This is the camouflage. Then in polar regions, one special feature is there that in the polar region they have have brown coat. Arctic fox have brown coats in summer and it grow white in winter, and they can protect themselves in this way. Okay, and leaf insect and stick insect, as the name suggests, leaf insect, insect, they live like leaf. Okay, their structure is like leaf and they can protect themselves. So these are the animals. They can protect. They have the different special features, and according to these features, they can protect themselves. Okay. So I think this lesson is clear. All the things I told you in first video, second video. This lesson is in 3 parts. Part 1, part 2, and this is the third part. Clear, children? Okay. So now what is your work? To read the lesson properly and to learn few new words. What are the new words? Adaptation. What I told you about adaptation? The adaptation is the process of changing to suit the environment. The next new word is here, amphibian animals, those who live on land and on in water. Third one, aerial animals, animals that fly in the air. Next one was arboreal animals, animals that spend most of the time on trees. Correct? Then omnivorous, those who eat both animals as well as plants. Then carnivorous, those who eat flesh. Herbivorous, those who eat plants. And parasites, animals those live on or inside the body of other animals. Right? So now read this lesson and try to understand this. Then I will send you PDF file, all the answers, exercises. In that you write down in your copies and complete your copies and bring here for correction. Okay? So have a blessed day.